Good morning, everyone. Today we have our logic and reasoning class. So, kids, today's topic is birds. What are birds? Can anybody tell what are birds? Yes, birds have feet, birds have feathers, and a beak with no teeth. Okay, they only have beak to eat. Okay, birds can fly, stand, and run. Birds are the only animals with feathers. Okay, birds are animals with feathers. They can fly. Okay, what do birds eat? Birds eat different food, fruits, plants, fish, seeds, nuts, worms, and insects. Let's learn the name of birds. Okay, kids, which bird is this? This is kingfisher. Okay, so here is our national bird. Our national bird of India is peacock. Swan. This is swan. Okay, and this is myna. Myna. Which bird is this? This bird we can generally see around us. Okay, this is sparrow. Sparrow. Owl. Do you know, kids? Owl can see in the night also. So it can see in the night. This is owl. Okay, here we have a koel. Koel sings very sweet. Okay. And here we have a parrot. What is the color of parrot? Green color. Yes. So this is pigeon. Pigeon also we can generally see around us. Crow. Crow. And crow is black in color. That's all for today. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.